Wallowing! Good morning everyone.
Hello, morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, grabe for the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, morning. Gano'n ka-excited ba kayo na nandito kayo at 3 a.m.?
Yes, una, very excited of course kasi first Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking, so 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. And of course, excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
Ano ba po ba? Ikaw, excited mo sa mga kasama mo mamaya tumakbo. Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So, kayo mga kasabayan namin, tulong-tulong lang tayo sa daan.
Well, morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak nyo na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak.
Hey guys, you have permission na, pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paolo.
Anong preparation, kung if any, na ginawa ninyo for your 10K run today? Aside from
Waking up this early. Galing kami ng Cebu actually, nag-taping ng our newest teleserye, The Alibay. Yes, and now, of course, preparation. Every Sunday kasi nag-run kami na wow kami. Every Sunday, so parang nakakatuwa lang na yung gusto namin ginagawa is also part ng Chowking ngayon.
And diba excited kasi nag-run na kayo every Sunday kasi ngayon ka-run yung mga family!
Yes!
Ciao, fam.
May nabasa ako sa X na yung iba daw dito mga first-time runner.
Welcome to the running community. So, speaking of the family here in our Chow Fun Run 2025, as you can see, medyo iba-iba tayo ng suot na t-shirts as of the moment. So, may I know what shirt you chose and why you chose that?
Ang shirt ko is halo-halo, of course. Super sangkap, halo-halo.
Si Paolo nang kaya lang po.
Halo. Marami rin ba? Marami rin.
Hindi ka siya, good morning.
Okay. So, with that, I think we can check.
Yes, kasi ang runners natin, kanya-kanya, unlike Paolo, sila namili talaga
Yes.
yung gusto nila. So,
Si Kim
check
namili
natin.
ng-
Ako kasi pumili.
Yes.
So, eto tayo, halo-halo.
High five. Wow! Alam nyo na.
Okay, so at this point, we're gonna have a special cheer rally.
Yes, alamin natin kung anong mga team at t-shirt ang pinagpipili nila. Oh, daming P. Let's go, Migs.
Okay, so sina Kim and Pao will help us out with our cheer rally. We have a total of 4 shirts. May kanya-kanyang representations yan. We have Shopao, we have Laureate, we have Chow Fan, and we have Halo. So isa-isahin natin yan ha. Once Kim and Pao call on your category, I need you to make your loudest noise. Okay ba yun?
Okay, sino dito ang mga Team Shopao? Parang katulad mo yung nantok pa yung viewer.
Okay, ito na talaga, Pao. Isa pa.
Isingin natin pa.
Ay! Again, bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayan ko yun. Sino dito ang Team Shopao?
Sino naman dito ang team? Chow Fun!
Team Shopao. Okay, sino naman dito ang Team Laureate? Team Laureate! Parang pupunta ako sa team na...
Parang yun lang yung Team Gloria.
Team Laureate.
Go! Eto ba? Sino naman dito ang team? Halo!
hope you guys will represent your categories very well. But now we'll have a groupie with Kim Pao on stage. So please join us in this groupie. Calling on our photographers once again. Photographers for our groupie. Malapit na kayo. Pakita kayo sa picture natin.